Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you guys how to jailbreak your iOS 13.5 device using Cydia, using this easy method, guys. It works on all iOS devices. It works on all iOS versions as well. I'm using an iPhone XS, but my friend did do this on an iPhone 11 Pro, so I'm just going to open up the Cydia app and show you it's got all the features. It's got everything you need. It is fully loaded, guys. You will not have any issues with this at all. It's super easy to install, guys. You don't need a computer. This is 100% untethered as well, so just follow along with my instructions and I'll show you guys exactly how to do this. Okay, so the first thing you guys want to do is open up Safari, and make sure you do this in Safari. It only works in Safari, and go to the website apphacks.co/Cydia. Okay, there's the website, guys, apphacks.co/Cydia. So once you get that typed in, just go ahead and click the go button. So basically what this website is going to do, it's going to install the Cydia installer profile. So you're just want to click the allow button, and then yeah, as you can see, it says profile download. Just click close and then open up your settings. Okay, open up your settings app, and you should see profile downloaded right here. So just click on profile downloaded. Okay, as you can see, it says Cydia. Click install, enter in your passcode, click next, install. Okay, done. So I just updated my Cydia installer profile, so I'm gonna open that up, guys. So guys, to complete the installation for the jailbreak, for the iOS 13.5 jailbreak, you basically need to inject the content for Cydia. Now this is very easy to do. To get started, you just click any of these features right now. Right now the Cydia is in shell mode, so just click any of these features. So we'll just click manage account. So as you can see, it says injection required. To jailbreak your iOS 13.5 device, you basically just have to click the start injection button. It's going to take you to the content injection wizard. Once you get there, you basically just have to install and open install two apps and follow their exact instructions. And yeah, it'll basically the content for the Cydia jailbreak is hidden within these apps. And when you install the apps and do their exact instructions, it initiates a break in the code, which begins transferring the rest of the files over to your device for Cydia. Guys, so basically, yeah, just install two of the apps, do their exact instructions. Make sure you do exactly what they say and leave them open for a little bit after completing their instructions to make sure that the files transfer over. If Cydia isn't, so basically once you do that, this page will just go right, like this screen will just go right back to the Cydia app with all the features there. If it doesn't change within 30 minutes, then you need to install more apps and you need to leave them open longer and do their exact instruction, guys. It's very important that you do their exact instructions and you're just patient with the process so you don't have to go and do it over again. That's pretty much all you guys got to do to jailbreak your iOS 13.5 device in 2020. Like I said, it's very easy, guys. Just make sure to follow each app's individual instructions and you should be fine. Like I said again, if it's not, Cydia isn't installed within, like if this doesn't go back to the original Cydia app with all the features there within 30 minutes and you did the content injection wrong, you need to do it over again, guys. So just install more apps. Just be patient with it, do their exact instructions, and yeah, just leave them open for a little bit after doing it to make sure that the files transfer over. Should be good to go, guys. So that's it. Thanks for watching. That's how to jailbreak iOS 13.5. Thanks for watching.